Hello guys, this is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn the easiest way to get the symbol in Excel. So guys, while performing an engineering calculations, most of the times we require the symbols such as alpha, beta, gamma. So what we generally do is we go to insert, then we click on symbols. Then here we get the lot of symbols with letters also. So then we start searching our symbols and finally we get those symbols like this. Sometimes it may take a lot of time too. So guys, to save your times, what you can do is just search a language which is named as symbol here, and then just sort out all the symbols here. So guys, hope this video will help you out. Thank you.